السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ. ویلکم ٹو مدنی اسلامک اکیڈمی قرآن تجوید کورس online. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 9 from Madani Qaida, the letters of Leen. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. What are the letters of Leen? How many letters of Leen are there? How do we pronounce the letters of Leen in an Arabic accent? All these questions we will find the answers of all these questions in this lesson. We will learn the letters of Leen with example. How many letters of Leen are there in an Arabic accent? There are two letters of Leen. Number 1 Ya Leen and number 2 Waw Leen. There are two letters of Leen in an Arabic accent. Number 1 is Ya Leen and number 2 is Waw Leen. What is Ya Leen? When there is zabar before ya sakin, then it becomes ya Leen. For example, Jim ya zabar jai. There is zabar before ya sakin. Here ya is sakin because ya has sakin sign, jazm sign or sukoon sign on it. Any letter which has this sign is called sakin sign or silent sign. Here ya is sakin letter. Ya is sakin here. In an Arabic accent, when there is a zabar before a ya sakin, then it becomes ya Leen. For example, Jim ya zabar jai. There is zabar before ya sakin. What is Waw Leen? In an Arabic accent, when there is zabar before Waw sakin, then it becomes Waw Leen. For example, Jim Waw zabar jaw. Here Waw is sakin letter because Waw has jazm sign, sakin sign or sukoon sign on it. Any letter which has jazm sign, sakin sign or sukoon sign on it is called sakin letter. Here Waw is sakin letter. And there is zabar before Waw sakin. This is Waw Leen. How do we pronounce the letters of Leen? We pronounce the letters of Leen gently in an Arabic accent without any stretching nor sudden pausing the voice. How do we pronounce the letters of Leen? We pronounce the letters of Leen gently in an Arabic accent without any stretching nor sudden pausing the voice. We will learn with example as well. This is the example of Waw Leen and this is the example of Ya Leen. Because there is zabar before Waw sakin, here Waw is sakin because Waw has jazm sign. And there is Ya Leen because there is zabar before ya sakin. Here ya is sakin letter. We know that any letter which has jazm sign or sakin sign or sukoon sign, that letter is called sakin letter. Here waw is sakin and here ya is sakin. How we pronounce the letters of Leen in an Arabic accent, let's learn with spelling. Ra, waw, zabar, raw, ra, ya, zabar, rai, raw, rai. We pronounce the letters of Leen in an Arabic accent without stretching or without sudden pausing the voice. Ra, waw, zabar, raw, ra, ya, zabar, rai, raw, rai. This is the example of the letters of Leen. In next video, inshallah, we will learn the letters of Leen with more examples. Thanks for watching. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.